Say hi, Ian.
Hi.
Well, here we are at Heritage Park. It's Railway Days, and we're getting a chance to look around and see everything. The club that I'm a part of is here, and there's some video from that. But we're going to go around and check things. Coming up, right on JC's Riptrack. Nothing beats live steam here at Heritage Park.
Please remain seated. Wear more flags and stuff that we're going to do for 5 minutes.
Sentimental journey, gonna say never stop. My heart at ease. Gonna take a sentimental journey to renew old memories. I got my bag, I got my reservation pending down. I could afford I'm like a child with wild anticipation. Long to hear that all aboard. 7, that's the time we need. 7, I'll be waiting up for heaven down every mile of railroad track that takes me back. Never thought my heart would be so yearning. Why did I decide to roll? I'm gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey home, my journey home.
Yay! Unexpected barbershop, sir.
That was fun, Winnie.
Look at all the steam. Yep, that's the steam from the locomotive. Oh, and here's a great big crane. And this crane they have operational. Look at that. Grain elevator. And a couple of old freight cars, including a flat car. Look at the junk that on that. That's great weathering ideas there. And then a tanker. And then a livestock car. Oh, and here's some good old trucks. Just take a look at that.
This guy's letting his buddies out of the trunk because they didn't pay to get used. Now the movie is Buster Keaton starring in the
And it's got the other, there's two logos too. One has the exclamation mark.
Getting some shots of some of the freight cars here at Heritage Park in Calgary that aren't actually currently out on the rails. I passed by these. There's another shot of these from the perspective of the train, but these ones are more along the lines of seeing how something like this weathers, and these older ones, you know, particularly looking at the trucks, looking at where the rust patterns are. Great inspiration for all of this. And, a lot of things to see here at Heritage Park, part of Railway Days. I'm now heading back towards to work with my own club. But as you can see, we've got all kinds of things, the things that you might not have otherwise seen, especially with the steam engines and the like. So this is a chance for, it's one of these points of inspiration, particularly for those of you who like to model steam. So good luck, and may you keep on track.